Hey guys, it's Vince from New Vintage USA. Today we're going to go over gauge options for your classic Chevy truck from 1947 through 1966. During these years, these are some of the most collectible and iconic vehicles on the road. So let's show you how we can turn that dash into something truly special with New Vintage USA gauges, specifically our Woodward series of gauges. Let's take a look at the 47 through 53 panel we've got shown here. These are the gauges that launched New Vintage. Our Speedo Tack quad kit in beige really makes it pop for all the right reasons. You'll have people at the car shows wondering if they're factory or aftermarket. Now let's take a look at the 54 kit we've got here. Factory stainless bezel reproduction. These mount up right in the factory spot, just like it does in the 53 kit you see here. Now let's show you our 55 through 59 option in our Woodward black. Really simple way to get away from the factory look, but to go with something that looks custom and high-end as well. With our stainless bezel, makes the original dash pop just as well as it did from the factory, but with a custom flare. Now let's talk about our 64 through 66 kit shown here, which is going to be very similar to the 60 through 63 kit that we also offer. This is shown in our Woodward beige 6-gauge kit and really is a great way to ditch the factory look and go for something truly custom. Now let's talk more in general about our 47 through 66 classic Chevy truck gauge kits from New Vintage, which are all designed to fit in a factory location, upgrading the style and functionality of your dash. Available 47 through 66 direct fit kits bolt right in and offer the flexibility to move the gauges how you see fit for a truly custom look. Kits come complete with your choice of gauge styles, mounting brackets, wiring harnesses, temp and pressure senders, bushing kits, gauge mounting clamps, and hardware. NVU gauges can operate on virtually any powertrain combination, from old school carbs to modern engines driven by OE and aftermarket PCMs. Our gauges are more than just great looking. Modern technology based on our OE military and simulator lines pack features you wouldn't have expected. Auxiliary inputs, built-in indicators, settable odometer mileage, performance timers, and sequential shift alerts are just a few of the things that push performance over the top. All products are designed, built, and programmed right here in Detroit and offer a 5-year warranty. If you're looking to upgrade the looks and functionality of your stock cluster of your 47 through 66 truck, look no further than New Vintage USA, where style meets performance.